All right, folks. So, Buff Bay High School student Rodane Green was this week recognized for his honesty after he found and returned a police constable's cell phone last month. Rodane joins us now alongside his teacher, Mrs. Jones Michael Gutsmore, and police constable Michael Wright. So, where's Sir Michael? There is Sir Michael. Morning, everyone.
Yep.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. How is everybody?
Good morning. Thank you for having us. We're doing well.
Yeah, man. Constable, I'm going to start with you. So, how you lose the phone? So, tell me about that.
All right. I was on my way to a devotion in Norwich, and if you know, the distance from Port Anton to Norwich, it's about 2 kilometers. And while I was on my way to devotion, I accidentally leave the phone on top of the service vehicle, and I forgot about it. And when I reached the destination, that's where Norwich, I realized that my phone was missing. And we stopped the vehicle and turned back to see if we can, track where the phone could have fell off the vehicle. And while we were there searching for the phone, search everywhere, I went to the police station to ask, and nobody could give us account where the phone was.
So you had no idea. You had no idea where you lost it.
No, as a matter of fact, never. It was on the service vehicle, so I know it fell off somewhere along the path from Port Anton to Norwich.
Okay.
So while I was there searching for the phone, I saw this young man run up to me with the phone in my hand and said, "Officer, I found the phone." So I said to him, "How do you know it is my phone?" He said that he saw my picture on it, and he can recall that I was at a devotion at the school about perhaps a week before.
Okay. All right, Rodane. Where did you find the phone, Rodane?
Right in front of right in front of here.
Okay.
In front of KFC.
Yep. Did you have a phone?
No, sir.
Did you think of keeping it?
Yes.
Why didn't you?
Because it's not mine.
And you knew immediately that it was the police officer's phone?
Yeah.
Were it not a police officer, you would have give it back same way?
Yes.
Oh, fantastic. Mrs. Michael Gutsmore, tell me a little bit about Rodane.
So Rodane is a grade 9 student. I must say when Rodane started Buff Bay High School, he was not always this calm and have this very, humble demeanor. Rodane was somebody who we would not want to mess around with. But gradually, I realized that Rodane had a shift in behavior. He started acting more disciplined, compliant with school rules, more actively involved in his schoolwork.
Fantastic. NIA is on your shirt, which is National Integrity Action. How are you involved in that as a teacher?
Okay, so the National Integrity Action, along with the Ministry of Education, launched the initiative to have integrity clubs in schools. And so at Buff Bay High School, I am the club's facilitator, and we advocate for integrity at the school level.
Yeah. Rodane, you said you thought about not giving it back. How long did you really sit down and think and say, all right, I won't give it back? Was that just a passing thought, or did you genuinely think, say, so I feel me hold on to the phone here, and then you decide to, how long did it take you to say, no, I am going to give it back because it's not mine?
It's just a passing thought.
It was just a passing thought. Yeah?
Yes.
Wow. Constable, you're a lucky man, but what did you say to Rodane when you found out that he actually brought the phone back to you?
All right, actually, never, to tell you the truth, to be frank with you, if I had money on me on that day, this whole thing wouldn't be as how it is right now, because guess what? When he gave me the phone and I said to him that, I want to compensate you for the good deed that you have done, so, but I don't have any money on me, so give me a number. So when I have, cash, I can just repay you. And he said that he doesn't have a phone. And when he said that to me, that struck me. And I said to myself that, I'm not just going to give him money. I'm going to make this bigger. I'm going to give him back a phone, and I'm going to see if I can get some other stuff to give to him. So that is the time when I realized that, this young man is very honest because he doesn't have a phone for himself, and yet still get the opportunity to get one by taking my phone that was lost, and he still decided to, hand it over.
Fantastic.
All right, so,
Fantastic.
yes.
Rodin, did you even think about rewards or anything, or you just wanted to give back the phone because it wasn't yours? Did you think, say, if I give it back, them are going to start me out still? Did you think about that?
No.
You didn't?
No, I mean, they think what I'm going to stay with policeman there because I'm got.
Fantastic. That's fantastic. Boy, I'm so proud of you. And Miss, you must be proud of Rodin for what he did.
Yes, I definitely am proud. And the school is proud too.
Fantastic.
Exactly.
Officer, what did you do for him in the long run? What kind of rewards, for want of a better word, did Rodin get?
All right. First of all, I gave him back a new phone. We come together, my colleagues and I, we put together a little package. I gave him $10,000. We gave him book supplies. We gave him bags. And of course, he's going to get $1,000 credit for 3 months. And of course, his book supplies. He's going to get a heavy here because I don't know if you know Neville, but I'm a pastor. Okay. Also for a small congregation, we receive books, items, and so every year. So he's going to be one of the recipients who's going to get some supplies every year.
Fantastic.
And yeah, right. And if there's any other thing, but in addition from that, he got some other stuff, some other department. I think the school gave him something. NCU, of course, the integrity persons that are with him right now. And apart from those stuff, I mean, if you then call me and ask me for anything else, and I have it, he will surely get it.
Fantastic.
Right?
Fantastic.
So it is not just that for that day, it's a lifetime.
Yeah, man. Rodin, what you want to be when you become a big man, sir?
I'm a police soldier or a marine police.
I didn't hear that. Go ahead. Go again.
I want to become a soldier or a marine police.
Marine police or a soldier. Fantastic. Fantastic. What form are you in now, or what grade?
Grade 9.
Favorite subject?
Maths.
I was going to ask your favorite teacher, but Miss right beside you. If you said, Miss, are you in trouble? So I'm not going to ask you that. I'm not going to ask you that. Maths is your favorite subject?
Yeah, not really, no, but you know how to pick out.
You are going to do well. I congratulate you. I'm so happy to meet you. I hope you not only continue the way you are, but you get your friends and your schoolmates to be the way you are. Fantastic. God bless you and look after yourself, son. All right, Miss, great to meet you. Look after all the students. Tell them hi for us. And officer, great to see you, sir, and well done. Well done, sir. But next time, don't lose the phone. Here, sir?
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, man. God bless everybody. Look after yourself and have a great holy weekend. All right?
Thank you, same to you, and thanks for having us.
Good job.
Blessings. Good Samaritan, Rodin Green. What a wonderful young man. His teacher, Mrs. Jones Michael Gutsmore, and police constable and pastor, Michael Wright. What a wonderful story and an outstanding young man. All right, more on Smile when we come back. Stay with us, please.